Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Honda Accord with a bad starter. First, always begin by checking your battery terminals. Make sure they are clean and securely connected. Next, confirm your car is in park or neutral. The starter won't engage otherwise. Finally, listen carefully when you turn the key. A single click often indicates a starter motor issue, while no sound at all might point to a dead battery or electrical problem. To confirm it's truly the starter, test your battery voltage. A healthy battery should read above 12.4 volts. If it's low, charge it first. Then, visually inspect the starter motor's wiring. Loose or corroded connections can prevent power from reaching the starter. Also, check for any obvious physical damage to the starter itself, which might indicate a more serious internal failure. If your battery is good, try these temporary methods. First, attempt a jump start from another vehicle. Sometimes, the extra boost can get a weak starter to engage. If that doesn't work, locate your starter motor and gently tap it with a small hammer or wrench. This can sometimes dislodge a stuck solenoid or brush, allowing it to briefly work. Always ensure your safety and the car's stability when working under the hood. While these methods can get you going, they are temporary fixes. The permanent solution is to replace the faulty starter motor as soon as possible to ensure reliable starts. You might also consider having a professional inspect your vehicle for any underlying electrical issues that could have contributed to the starter's failure. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.